coming for you, 5-minute crafts. Okay, so I'm gonna be making my bird Pablo his own little.
Hi, yeah, that's you. Yes, it is. Hi, Pablo.
He wanted to say hi. I'm making him a whole little like play area for when he's outside of the cage, because I'm too poor to buy the ones in the store. This is Pablo. Hi, Pablo. You wanna come out? Up. No, up. Pablo. Good boy. Let me just put him on his perch outside. Here you go, Bubs. Good boy. I didn't even finish filming the intro, and then I already got bored and went and played Mario Kart. Ignore my trash can. Okay, but I'm going to show you all the game plan. So I have this box. It has things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off all of these. I'm going to cut off all these flaps and the top. And then like this is where it's going to be in. And I have this dowel perch that I'm going to chop in half, and then I'm gonna like mess it up so it's all ruggedy and it's not smooth because that's bad for his feet. And then I have this little wooden circle thing that I'm going to make a swing, or at least just have it hanging there. And then we have some homemade toys. Notice how everything's homemade? I'm poor, but it's okay, he gets good care. And also this little wooden ball that I can put treats in, or he can just like throw around. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with cutting the flaps. That was way more difficult, but I did it. So I think what I want to do next is the dowel rod, but first I need to measure it. Oh gosh. Why didn't I film the intro from here and then you can see Pablo? Nasty. I measured the box, it was 13 inches, and so I marked off 14 inches on each of these so I can have some room to like shove it through the thing. Oh, you'll see when I get to, I have an idea. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to cut this outside, and then I'm gonna whittle it. I was about to get him, and then he flew behind me and then in his cage. Anywho, I look like a wreck now.
Hi. Yeah, the video's about you. You wanna come say hi?
He doesn't want to say hi. Definitely not my first time recording this, but I finished the perches. I didn't record me whittling them or all that because my mom's boyfriend came out and was doing yard work, so I just did it by myself. And then...
Hi. Hello. Hello, how are you?
He decided he wanted to be really loud. He wants to be in the video. Hopefully he's not loud and too distracting. I just used the knife in this to like shape it, make it wiggly, and then use the saw to kind of texturize it a bit, and then sanded it a bit so it doesn't like give him splinters or none of that. Since cutting the top made it the box do this, I need to like duct tape the back or something so that it's not like falling apart like it just did. So gotta go find some duct tape. Hold on, I'm out of breath from coming up the stairs. I didn't find duct tape, but I found normal tape. So I'm just gonna put a crap ton of it on there and hope that it works. When I said I was gonna use a lot of tape, I wasn't kidding. It looks like it had like a giant gash and I like stitched her up. Oh, I also need, there's like a little a little hole here. I need to tape it closed. Because I'm going to put paper at the bottom so that way if he takes a dookie, then it's not a big deal. I'm going to just do that now. So now we just have to make the holes for these and then assemble it all. I should probably I don't know, kind of measure this at least. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Works. Yeah. Now we just gotta do it to the other side. I was listening to country music and oh my god, it made me sad because it was like, man, I want a boyfriend. But then I also remembered having a boyfriend is so much work. There's so much mental stability you gotta have that I just don't. And you probably can't even hear any of this because the cardboard is so loud, but let's just see if this works. I think that's sturdy. I mean, it's not really, I don't really think he's gonna be having a little party in there, just sitting on it. So we just gotta do, well, because I have this thing that I want to hang from this one. So I might not even, well maybe, I can put that one behind. Not that behind. Oh, wait. Gotta figure things out. I could do that. On the ground, like that. That one's a little slanted, a little fun. Okay. Probably didn't hear anything I said, but whatever. I kind of destroyed my room, but it's cool. I washed this off and got my twine, and I'm going to hang it from the top one, and that way he has a little swing, or he can just sit on it, I don't know. Hopefully it works. Hopefully he likes this all and I didn't do it all for no reason. I know he likes twine, so at least I got that going for me. And I'm just gonna tie it. There was no need to say it like that, but I mean, that works. Okay, so along with this, I have some toys. really sure how or where. I don't know, that kind of scares me. I don't know where to put things. I guess I could just hang it up there. And then maybe I could find a way to put this one. Oh, I can do that. I mean, heck, he's probably not even gonna play with this one anyways. Yeah, it's fine. He can fly if it falls. I sound like such a bad bird mom. Where's his little ball? Oh. And then there's 2 ground toys. I want to make some like little ground shredder toys for in here. Well, I have this little ball, which he can like throw around, and I put some millet in there. And so I've never seen him play with them, but I got them yesterday, so he still has to figure them out. But I have these little paper towel roll toys that I put millet in, and the other one has seed, and as you can see, he tears it up. And I've seen him like just throw it around and stuff, so I'm gonna make another one of those and put some millet in here, and then we'll be done. So it's the next day and we have a problem. So slow. Yeah. Pablo refuses to go on it.